Good morning, guys. I managed to survive the night in Rawalpindi. So as you can see, this is much cooler than Karachi. So somehow what happens is that it gets relatively hot in the day. It's about 30, 33 degrees, maybe even up to 35. But then when it comes to the night, it drops like 10 degrees just like that. So I think it's about 22 degrees C right now. It's really nice and cool. Little dude is right there, still sleeping. We're all really tired. And this is Aisha catching up on her messages. And Lizzie's also sleeping right there. Now check out the security over here. So if I were to move the curtains here, you'll see this glass panel here. This is actually windows that do not lock. So let me just open it and see what you get here. So you can actually walk right out there and get into the neighbor's side. So security, We're gonna get ready, and I'm kind of looking forward to the new vehicle. So last night's van was not really comfortable. They got it was a Toyota High Ace, but lots of CNG tanks underneath every single seat. So there's not much of leg room, there are no headrests and stuff. So I'm hoping today's vehicle is much better, because this is the vehicle that's going to be with us for the next about 10 days. Currently we're waiting for the other van to arrive. It should be coming anytime soon. And then we'll head up north. Our first stop will be Mansehra. So let's see how it goes. Loading up. The van has finally arrived. It looks way better than the one last night.
What's up?
We've loaded up. Comfy seats. It's got like 3 rows and stuff. It's pretty good. It's okay. I can do this. Yeah. We've been traveling for about 2.5 hours. Still have 1.5 hours left to go. We have exited the motorway, so traffic is a bit slow. It's only 30 minutes left, but it will take 1 hour and 26 minutes to our destination. Currently we are at Hyderabad. 1 hour and 26 minutes. It's quite a distance left. Alright guys, so we actually had our lunch in Mansehra. It's a nice place. It's a place of our friends. The food was excellent. Really appreciate the lovely lunch, and the place is beautiful as well. We managed to take some drone shots, and we are headed up further.
Look at this. Hello, say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. How are you? Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
We are back in the vehicle. We're basically going to a place called Shogran. We're gonna stay there for the night, and I think it's already 6:20. By the time we are there, it's gonna be really dark. Alright guys, so basically this was the room that we stayed. I think it's a place called Kiwai in Balakot region. So we just spent the night, and it's about 5 a.m. and we just rushed out, and it was really quick. So we all had to wear multiple layers. We have to start doing that. It's pretty cold out there. But the thing is, where we're going is going to be even colder. It's going to be a bit rainy and it's going to be like 9 degrees. That's the place called Naran. Little dude is wearing 4 layers on the top,
2 layers down there.
2 layers at the bottom.
Head and my hands.
Whoa, look at you.
Don't look at me.
Look at you, you look fat. Wait, what's that? You look like a hunchback of Notre Dame. So yeah, basically we're out here getting everyone to get ready, getting luggages out and into the vehicle. In here we have one of those tourism jeeps. So there's certain places in this region where we have to hire these jeeps to go up. So I believe this is 4-wheel drive definitely, and it's got snow tires as well. Alright, getting into the van right now. Let's go. Majority of our time was spent on traveling. However, it was all worthwhile. It was challenging for the van to run through the roads due to road damage. Our next stop was Kaghan for breakfast, about 38 kilometers away, which took us about 1.5 hours to reach. The views were breathtaking with mountainous scenes never before seen. Alright, so here we are. We have stopped in, where's this place? Kaghan, right? Stopped in Kaghan. We're gonna have some breakfast. So as you can see, they're making pratas, eggs and stuff. It's breakfast time. Right, so the breakfast here, everything just tastes better here, maybe because we're just too hungry. Yeah. And they've got chickpeas as well, but lots of oil, so but whatever's behind the oil, it's just amazing. And we managed to get coffee somehow. It's strange, nobody drinks coffee here, so we had our 3-in-1 packets and we got the guys to, you know, make us some. Yeah, the snow peaks right on top, snow peaks.
Guys, check this out.
Huge chunk. Oh, danger, yeah? Alright guys, we just stopped somewhere right before the stop in Naran. The scene is really nice. We're gonna take some pictures and we're gonna move along.
Guess what? There's actually an unknown city down there, as you can see.
Yeah, so there's like a tiny little city. It's not really like an unknown city, but it's really beautiful. It's like it's part of a valley.